into your arms again. Don't wanna fall into your arms again.
I'm on